Yoga is treasured as a time to reduce stress, feel peaceful, cleanse the mind, and detox the body. Shame we can't say the same about our yoga mats. In a hot, humid room, yoga mats are a magnet for harmful germs, carrying more bacteria than toilets, smartphones, and airplane seats combined. So why is it that we practice on stinky, unhygienic mats? What's even worse? Cleaning rental mats can be a health hazard. With safety now a top priority, minimizing exposure to microscopic threats is the #1 action to instill confidence in staff and keep students coming back. Introducing Mat Fresher, an innovative patent-pending invention for gyms and studio owners, members, and students that thoroughly cleans, sanitizes, and rolls exercise mats in under 30 seconds, making that first down dog smell sensational. Not only do you get Mat Fresher for free, with Mat Fresher, you can add revenue to every check-in. Let's have a look. Enter your mobile number and PIN. No app or credit card. Simple. Next, insert your mat, and in 5 yoga breaths, it's sanitized, rolled, and ready to go. First, brushes gently remove the hair and debris sticking to both sides of the mat. Next, powerful germicidal UV light is applied to kill harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Then the mat is misted with all-natural sanitizer solution, 120 times more effective than bleach. Last, the mat is neatly rolled and ready to go. And ready for this, a studio averaging 200 check-ins per day can earn more than $50,000 per year. Think of all the benefits: improved hygiene, increased revenue, no manual cleaning community mats, all natural cleaning, and making visible that safety is your top priority. A clear mind starts with a clean mat. Sign up to get your free Mat Fresher today.